रंगों से भरी इस दुनिया में कुछ बच्चे ऐसे भी हैं जिनके लिए लाल और हरे रंग एक जैसी धुंधली परछाइयां हैं। 17 वर्षीय आहान रितेश प्रजापति को भी कलर ब्लाइंडनेस था, लेकिन उन्होंने अपनी कमजोरी को ही अपनी सबसे बड़ी ताकत बना दिया। आहान ने मशीन लर्निंग की मदद से ऐसा मॉडल बनाया जो किताबों के चित्र और मानचित्र बदल देता है, ताकि ऐसे बच्चे भी उन्हीं तरह से पढ़ाई कर सकें जैसे उनके बाकी साथी। ये नवाचार 99.7% सटीकता के साथ तस्वीरों को अनुकूल बना देता है। पढ़ाई आसान होती है और बच्चों के सपनों को उड़ान मिलती है। यही वजह है कि ब्रिटेन के प्रतिष्ठित क्रेस्ट गोल्ड अवार्ड से आहान को सम्मानित किया गया। एक भारतीय का सपना अब पूरी दुनिया के लिए उम्मीद बन चुका है। आहान की इस यात्रा में अदाड़ी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल का योगदान अहम रहा। यहाँ उन्हें मंच मिला, मार्गदर्शन मिला और वही पहचान मिली जिसने अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर तक पहुंचाया।
During my childhood, I used to face a lot of difficulties when it came to lab experiments or during art and craft classes, where I couldn't differentiate between some colors. And slowly and gradually, my parents also came to realize about it. So in grade 4, I was diagnosed red-green colorblind when my parents took me to an ophthalmologist and he did an Ishihara testing on me. And when I realized that I was colorblind, I also realized that there might be many other students who might be facing the same difficulty and who might not be aware about their condition. So I took it up as a social project called Aiding Colors, where I went and did Ishihara testing on many students from government schools and private schools and made them aware about this condition and also about further education, since there are many jobs like government jobs in aviation, railways and army which do not allow candidates with color vision deficiency. That's why I took it up as an awareness, and later I also took it up as a research project where I did computational study to enhance images for colorblind students so that they can see those images better. So I started the Aiding Colors project, where I went to many schools, around 30 schools, and I tested over 10,300 students, was able to find about 120 positive cases from that. Initially I started it in my hometown of Anand, but when I moved to Adani International School, the school over here supported me a lot, and it helped me gave me a platform so that I could conduct camps in the school itself and also at the Gokul Ashram school. And throughout this journey, I was able to influence a lot of students and bring out a lot of awareness about it. Under the CAS activities under the IVDP curriculum, I was actually able to continue and set up camps in our school and another school called Gokul Ashram, through which I got support from my classmates who volunteered in this activity and my school teachers, and I was able to test more than 300 students.
आहान ने स्कूल के सहयोग से 30 से ज्यादा संस्थानों में स्क्रीनिंग करवाई और पाया कि करीब 120 छात्र कलर ब्लाइंडनेस से जूझ रहे हैं। सोचिए कितने सपने अनदेखे रह जाते अगर समय रहते ये पहल न हुई होती। आहान की कहानी एक संदेश है, हम सबके लिए कमजोरी में भी ताकत छुपी होती है, बस जरूरत है विश्वास और सही मंच की।